Very quick demo here. Just want to show you how to do a find and replace in Power Query. So, for example, we've got this customer name column here. We've got this one customer called Short Ink. Now we know that they've actually changed their name to Long and Short Ink. So how do we go about changing that within our data here? So ultimately all we'll need to do is highlight that column. At the top here, replace values. And the current customer name is Short Ink, and we want to replace it with Long and Short Ink. Click OK, and there you go, it's changed to Long and Short Ink. And we can also see that it's given us an additional applied step here, and the code, the M code that it's written up here is just basically here, which is basically replacing it from Short Ink to Long and Short Ink. Now, if we ever, for whatever reason, needed to revert it back, all we need to do is delete this step. And you can see it's just gone back again. Hope that helps.